Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you love to present an amazing gourmet meal even while you're camping, you should check out this cooking kit from Beyond the Black Stump. This kit has everything you need all in one place. It is very thoughtfully created from a small business, and you can tell the attention to detail that was put into every single feature. It includes not just useful cooking tools, but it includes everything you need to clean up your camp kitchen, including sponges, a spice kit, even a wine bottle opener, and extra storage. It's got a carrying strap and straps at the top that can be attached to any branch, top of your RV, top of your cook kitchen, anywhere, so that you have easy access while you're cooking. We have been very impressed with the quality of this and with all of the included accessories. If you love to create gourmet meals even while you're camping, you know that the right tools make the job easier. And that is what we have found with this very beautiful kit from Beyond the Black Stump. It has all the tools you need for an amazing camp kitchen cook experience. We couldn't be more thrilled with it. We love it, we think you will too, and that's just my point of view.